Want to know how to enable or use AI assistant in Shortwave? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your shortwave.com website or the application. So we have also created some videos regarding Shortwave, which is available on our channel, so make sure to watch it. So now once everything is done, you should be under this interface right here. And now once you're under this interface, on the top left side, you should be seeing this star icon right here, the 3 dotted stars. So this is your AI assistant. So in order to work through it, it's super simple. So if I want to organize my inbox, I can just simply type in organize my inbox and also find urgent emails by sticking that. So there can be some quick ask like here on the bottom, or you can just simply manually ask as well. So you can also attach your files to your AI assistant and create a new chat by selecting right here. And that's it. Super simple and easy. So you can just simply do things like this and it will automatically do your task. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.